In this video, we will learn about how to assign treatment outcome to a patient at Nikshay. A case record submitted to Nikshay is tracked till a logical end point. The type of logical end will depend on whether the case is diagnosed or notified and whether treatment was initiated or not. For cases that are test pending, convert to TB not confirmed. For cases where treatment has not been started, assign notification outcome or the reason for not initiating on treatment. For cases that have stopped or completed treatment, assign treatment outcome. Moving a case to its logical end is called closing a case. A patient's record may be closed by going to the Close Case tab in the Patient Management interface. When you close a case, you have to select a reason for it. The reason that you are provided depends upon the status of the patient's treatment. For patients undergoing treatment, there are a different set of options as compared to patients who have not started the treatment. Once you have logged in, under Patient Management, you will find Presumptive TB. Go to Diagnosis Pending. Apply the filters as per your requirement and click the Search button. On the next page, you will find a list of patients. Click on the patient that you want to close the case for. A page with the details of the patient will appear. Go to the Outcomes tab. Here, you will find a Close Case button. Click on it. You will have to select a reason for closing the case. The only reason listed here is case not diagnosed as TB. Next, you have to select an end date. You can also enter a remark if you wish to. Now, click the Submit button. The case will then be closed. Under Patient Management, you will also find Diagnosed TB Notified. Under it, there are two options. To close a case where the treatment has not been initiated, click on Treatment Not Started. On the Patient Management page, apply the desired filter and click the Search button. On the next page, you will find a list of patients. Click on the patient that you want to close the case for. You will find the basic details about the patient displayed here. Go to the Outcomes tab. Here, you will find a Close Case button. You will be asked to choose the reason. The reasons listed here are died, untraceable because of incomplete or wrong address or migrated, duplicated record, wrongly diagnosed with TB and patient refused treatment. You also have to provide an end date. You can add a remark if you wish to. Once you have selected a reason and added the end date, click the Submit button and the case will be closed. Under Patient Management, you can also select On Treatment List if the patient has started the treatment. When you close a case for a patient who is undergoing treatment, you will be provided with a different set of reasons. The reasons listed here are cured, treatment complete, treatment failure, died, lost to follow-up, mark as duplicate and treatment regimen changed, Once you have selected a reason, enter the end date. You can also add a remark. Click the Submit button to close the case. This is how you assign treatment outcome to a patient at Nikshay.